we're going to look a bit at the code. This is my application, so it's a standard application. I have put it on my Tomcat, but it's not using even Java here. It's just a web application. So the main entry point here is the index.html. I'm going to open this here. That's my index.html. So what do we see here? A couple of interesting things here. The ng app directive here tells me it's an Angular application, and this is the first Angular module we're going to load. So I'll show you the JavaScript code later. So this is the entry point of the application. The entire application is controlled with a controller called portal controller, and we have two important things here. These are directives, a login directive and a home directive. These are shown with an ng-show directive, whether we're logged or not. So basically what happens here, if we're not logged, we show the login page, and if we're logged, we show the home page. I'll explain a bit how these are connected to the actual content of the application. Because right now, I'm still on index.html, but I see a full page with the process listing, and this is the only thing that is inside my source. If I do a right click here, and then I look at my source, same thing. It's quite empty. But the application is quite rich. That's because it has been fetched with directives. So it's being loaded by fetching different directives on demand. Now, after that, we have a couple of dependencies, jQuery, Angular, the resource module for Angular, because Angular, as I said, it's modular, so it comes with a really basic version, and I have added a plugin called resources, which communicate with the REST API. I have the ng library, ng bonita library. This is what provides me the REST API calls based